So I saw your question on discussion board. You want to solve this quadratic equation, x squared plus 4x minus 60 by completing the square. You had the first several steps correctly, but somewhere around here you went wrong. But if I go through those steps, you want to get your constant to the other side. You want to have your variables on one side, your constant on the other. Then you want to complete the square. You want to take half the coefficient of the linear term, which is 4, and you want to square that, and that returns 4. And you add that number to each side. So that gives you 64 on the right side, and you want to factor this, and it should always factor down to a binomial squared. And then you apply the square root property, and that'll give you x plus 2. Apply the square root property equals plus or minus square root of 64. Square root of 64 is 8. And I think you had everything okay to here, and then things kind of went haywire. So x plus 2 equals plus or minus 8. This is what it means if you write it out the long way. It means x plus 2 equals a positive 8, or x plus 2 equals a negative 8. Then you want to subtract 2 from each side, and I get 6. And again, you subtract 2, or you get negative 10. So somehow, from this step to the next one, looking at your work, your answers appear to, differ a little bit from what I'm showing here. Hope this helps.